How to play Roblox with two accounts on the same computer. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can play Roblox with two accounts on the same computer. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on Roblox and I am playing it on two computers at the same time. So over here, as you can see, it works. So now let me just show you how you can do this. So first I'm going to simply go ahead and close this up. And what you want to do is you want to have two Roblox setups onto your computer. First one, you have to come over here onto Google Chrome and just simply download Roblox from here. Download the Roblox launcher, and once you have it, it'll be the Roblox player. As you can see, we have Roblox player and then we have the simple Roblox. Next, what you want to do is you want to open up the Microsoft Store, and then over here just simply search for Roblox, and you want to download the Roblox application. Once you've done that, you are good to go. Then what you want to do is you want to create two different accounts so that you can play them. Then all you have to do is just simply log in on both of these accounts, and you can just simply go ahead and run both of these applications. So remember, one is a Roblox player, the other one is the Roblox. If this doesn't work, what you can do is you can download one of the applications, and then on the other one, you can just simply log in into your Google Chrome account over here, and that will work as well. So it works. If you want to have three screens, the third account you can just open up in your browser and it should work. So remember, one is the Roblox application, the other is the Roblox player, and you have to download both of them, and it will have to have two different accounts to work. So that is it for this video. That is how you run two accounts of Roblox on the same computer. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.